Welcome back to Classic Britain. Welcome to my business partner's garden. And we have some very interesting cars here. We have a Porsche 944 with a reg only the Polish will find amusing. We have a Willys Coupe with a 383 Mopar in it. We have this Renault with a big block Ford engine. And we have a perfectly normal Fiat Seicento. That may or may not be all-wheel drive with a Lexus V8, but we're not focusing on this today. We're focusing on this Capri, because this Capri has been in this garden for many years, and today we're going to see if it will run. Right, got a battery on it. First battery we tried, the posts are on the wrong bloody side of the terminals, so this one's a good fit, and we're going to see. After the water pump incident, I'm very careful. Radiator incident. We're going to see if it will turn over. It does turn over by hand, but obviously we want to make sure the starter motor is actually going to work and it's not seized. So we'll give it a go. There is petrol in it, so it could just cough into life. We really don't know. Could have no spark. These MSD boxes can sometimes, or it's just not MSD, just in general these electrical boxes can go wrong after sitting for years. That's very weird. I haven't been in a Capri before, and there's two switches on one side. Interesting. Ugh. Oh god, that is crusty. Ugh. Ah. I don't think that's the ignition key. I think this is the ignition key. The horn works. So we're going to leave it in 2. The fuel gauge is actually moving. It is actually moving, so there's a possibility there's petrol in this thing. Yeah. Alright. Well, I'll crank it over for a bit, see if it's getting any fuel, and yeah, we'll see if it'll go. Right, we've established it turns over. It's got compression. So I think now we're going to give it some choke and see if it'll just go. And we have spark. So the only thing that can go wrong now is fuel, but we can always connect up another fuel supply. But apparently this did have a tank a few years ago, so it's not going to be rotten. When I say a few years ago, I don't mean 20. Now, where is the choke on this thing? Oh, there it is. Alright, choke's out fully. God, these cars make a horrible creaking plastic noise when you pull things. It's actually got the leather seats in it. They're covered in mould, but they'll wipe off. So, it'll live another day. Right. I'm going to sort of have one hand through the window and the other on the key, see if we can get it to go. Right, let's give it a go. You can hear me snorting because I'm deliberately sniffing to see if I can smell any fuel. It doesn't smell particularly of fuel, so we might not have enough in it. There might be a slight waft of fuel, I don't know. We don't want to flatten this battery. These engines are bomb-proof, so it will go. It's 100% it will go. No worries at all. What I might do is what I did with the last car, and just spray a little bit of Easy Start or something down there, just to tickle it into life. And then it'll suck up fuel. It might just be sucking up fuel. It might take a while to do it. But there is like a couple of gallons in it, so it will go. Unless we've got a blockage in the fuel filter, which is possible. don't think we're getting any spark. Because it's not even tried to cough. So, I'm going to take a quick look. But spark should be fine because it's got one of these MSD boxes. There again, I don't trust all this electrical stuff. I much prefer, I'm a points man myself. Get this off. Ah, there it is. Get this one off too. Oh, yeah. Look at me using 2 hands. Oh, impressive. Oh, it should be getting spark. I don't see any reason why it wouldn't be getting spark. It's not like I can check with the normal method. Oh.
Probably just, I mean, it'll have no fuel in it.
I thought I had fuel in it. The gauge one up.
in the lines.
Well, so you want to spray a bit and...
Yeah.
There we go.
Man, I can't believe it. No room it's got. You can see how busy I am, though, can't you?
It is crazy how fast they deteriorate. It's insane.
Oh, fucking hell. Paint just dropped straight down the car.
Oh, God. Did it drop in there?
Yeah, I don't know. Have you got a torch on that? I don't know what it was.
Oh, I see it.
What is it?
It's just a little washer, and it's in that corner there. We need a magnet to get that out.
Where is it? Down the barrel?
No, it's just in here.
Oh, right, okay.
It can't get in there, can it? Oh, I'm really stupid. I'm so dumb. I can't believe I didn't think of that. I'm supposed to be good at this.
This is the second carb I've had, distributor I've had on it, and this is fucked. These Chinese carbs, distributors even. Look. The body's broken.
Oh, God.
It's still fine.
Right, do you want me to turn it over while you do that?
Yeah. Turn the choke off.
Choke off?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh dear. There we go. It's in neutral. Yeah, of course it is. I'm being stupid. Because it was in gear, it would have shot forward, wouldn't it? Right, ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! You alright?
Sorry, what was that? I've gone completely fucking dead.
Again?
No, hang on. There's no petrol coming through. It'll fire up. Go on.
Go on, girl. Oh, that was close.
Hang on, turn it off a minute. There's no fuel yet. I might have to stick some down there. Go on then.
Oh!
There's just not enough fuel.
Alright, we'll get some fuel. And then it will go. Definitely. This goes to show how strong these Pinto engines are. I mean, the banger racers use them for one. Well, they used to. They used to use Pintos and Essex V6s because they're just bomb-proof. I mean, they'll run on like 2 cylinders. They're just... You have a job to kill them. They're really, really strong. Iron block, iron heads. I mean, you can stroke these to like 2.5 litre. They can make an insane amount of power, like 200 horsepower. Naturally aspirated with the big 45 Webers. Probably more than 200 horsepower. But yeah, they're really, really, really good. I used them in Cortinas, I used them in Capris, all sorts of cars. And of course the actual Ford Pinto in America uses a Pinto engine. Yeah, there's loads and loads of different things I use them in. Should we just put the pipe, in there?
No. See what happens then. Hang on. Yeah, go on.
Oh, close.
Well, it'll, as soon as it fires up, then the fuel pump will work properly.
Again? Yeah?
Hang on a sec. Still no fucking fuel in it.
There's no fuel in it?
No, hang on a minute. I'll put some down the barrel. Gonna. Put some in here.
Little chuff there. I think I can. Yeah? There we go.
You might want to put a choke on a bit. It should fire up now.
That started surprisingly easily.
Put the choke on.
Yeah. Right, do it again.
Yeah. And stick a bit of fuel in it. Oh, fucking hell, not the world. Gone.
So we're just trying to pour fuel up, aren't we, at the minute?
Maybe put a bit more choke on it. I think it's ice cold, isn't it?
It won't go anymore.
Oh, will it not?
No.
Oh, that's interesting.
Is it a bit stuck?
I didn't think it was, to be honest with you. Go on then.
So you're just going to hold it manually?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
Sweet as a nut. Nice. A little bit smoky, but it's pretty clean. Again? Get that noise. That's a really even exhaust note. That is running really well. Do that again. Oh God. It sounds good back here. Oh yeah, it says there's half a tank in it. I don't know if the gauge is stuck or what, but it says there's half a tank in it.
Yeah. It ain't helping, this distributor flopping about. It's ridiculous. Honestly, it's the second one I've had on it.
Oh dear. Well, that's a success, isn't it? Call that a success. Excellent. We got it running. I'm big fans of John, obviously. And yeah, perfect. I think it's time to wrap up the video, and we'll have a victory pint, or 10. Right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to loathe and despise, like and subscribe, comment down below, let us know what you want to see next on the channel. If you know of any cool cars sitting up in barns or gardens or sheds or garages, do feel free to get in touch with me, especially British and interesting things. And before anyone says anything, that window is broken on the Capri, it won't wind up, hence why it's like that. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.